Aishi, back again here with another video. And as you know, it's spring and the animals are coming out. Unfortunately, some of those animals can get run over by a vehicle and then they're just dead. And they can stay there for at least 2 or 3 days while the cars just zoom by them. And maybe a week too. And I'm sure the people in those cars really want to help them, but they just can't. There may be 2 reasons why. The first reason is that they need to get to an important business meeting and they need to get there really quick and they just can't stop and clean it up. The second reason may be people do see the dead animal, but they don't want to clean it up without any protection. For example, like gloves, and they don't have any on them. And this is where my unique thought comes in. What if instead of doing all of that, we can just take a picture of it, send it to the city, boom, the city knows where it is, and it's dead, they can easily come and clean it up. And this way, we're also respecting our animals. And don't forget, this same thing goes for garbage. In case some people just see garbage some places, they can easily text the city and do all that stuff. If you didn't know, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So like I just told you, how I got my unique thought just by looking around. By the way, if I can find my unique thought just by looking around, I'm sure you can too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.